So in today's video, we will be taking a close look at Chase Racelott, who is of course voiced by Chase Elliott in the Cars movie. We can see the 3 variations here. There is a few more, most likely from Vietnam. I do have that in, of course, you know, the multi-pack with Steve LePage. You can check out my Instagram at Disney Cars Collector UK. But yep, we can see the variations here. And in yesterday's video, I was actually a little bit lazy because I didn't realise that the NASCAR cars were at the top of that bin. So I could have easily taken out Bubba. But here is the, of course, NASCAR variant of Chase with the number 9 with the pit stop barrier. Just thought I'd show you him there before I take a close look at him. But before I do that, that's where he appeared in Cars 3. Of course, during the Florida 500, he had a quick interview with, of course, one of the staff members. This is the first release of Chase. We can see it right here. It does look pretty cool. He's got the metallic foil paint. He's a Vitaline Cars 3 racer who replaced Brick Yardley, of course, at the final race. We can see the usual next-gen expression, headlights, fenders, all that stuff. Number 24, roof flaps. He has no window bars on this variant, sadly. Vitaline. He's got nice green rims, the usual piston cup consistency sponsors. Can never say that word properly. But yep, the metallic foil, 24, fuel cap over the V. There is, of course, the back with the Ricky Racing stripes. I'm going to guess this guy was made in the 132nd day. Nope, it literally just says 2017, which I guess is accurate. Which is actually kind of funny. This is the factory custom, which was revealed to us around October, November, December time of 2023. We can see some differences here. Of course, no more metallic foil paint. The spoiler is different. This one actually has window bars. That pretty much is it for the front of the diecast. We can go to the side of the diecast now. We can see the rims are slightly different. Of course, these are a little bit more, you know, darker green compared to the lighter green that Mattel gave them compared to the factory custom. The back is actually missing the white stripe down the middle, as we can see. And of course, the Vitaline has gone from white to green, which is actually quite cool, but is less visible in green on green than it is white on green. There is that, and of course here is the base of the factory custom, just to compare and show. This is the Thailand variant. As we can see, the eye plate, the metallic foil paint is still there. The, of course, side, the wheels are way more grainier. You can see the spoiler is more, you know, more like the factory custom, but there is more green lines, and this one's window bars are way more visible. On the back, we can see the lights and Vitaline again. Chase did get a mini racer. There he is. Looks pretty cool. I believe released as a single and again in a 3-pack. Of course, back in 2018-19, I believe that was the 3-pack. Cannot exactly remember which year. There is a Glow Racers Chase Racelott coming out very soon. Might even already be out at the time of recording this, because this video is being recorded in December and going out in February. So, yep, I do have the Disney Store Glow Racers version. That's just away in the box. But these are the ones I do have here to show today. Comment down below which one is your favourite. And I do apologise for that cut. I just remembered to show the base. There is the base. The Thailand one. Of course, to the very next video. Peace, everybody.